Today I'm gonna show you the LastPass software which can make your day-to-day activities more secure. And when you hire a VA or some people you are not trusting yet, you may find it difficult to share password of your accounts and think like, is he or she going to do it right, or is going to mess up everything, or taking my account and go away or something like that. Or you will find some security issues too for sharing passwords, and in that case LastPass can work as a life changer of yours. Let's see the LastPass website. I am showing you here. LastPass. See, this one is right here, Password Manager. You can also list out all your passwords in this software. In case you are like me, you forget things frequently and you can't remember your passwords even. And sometimes your email address or somewhere you save all your passwords in Chrome or in your email account itself, it's really overflowing with the amount of passwords right there. So you may feel that if this email or this thing gets hacked, then all my passwords will be revealed. So that's really troublesome, right? So in that case, you can use LastPass, which can work as a life changer. You can use it for your personal purpose or your business purpose, or whatever you prefer. I don't want to pay for anything, or I don't have any employee right now because I'm not a business owner. So I will show you the personal way. You can try the other way too, and you can see the things that it can work on and the details of it. There are some free version and premium and family version. You can choose any of it as you prefer, like access on all device, one-to-one sharing, save and fill passwords, password generator, secure notes, and multi-factor authentication. So I think this one is very much great for beginners who are starting out and see how LastPass works. But if you are using it for a more security purpose or for working on your business or many things, like you need to share a password and you don't want to do it one by one, you want to share it to all your employees, so in that case you need the premium version, and you can go for the family version too. So let me start it. I will just create an account from scratch because I want to show you how everything works. So let me start by... So the master password thing is that all the passwords will be in your LastPass account itself, but the master password is the password by which you will access your LastPass account. So make sure it's really the 12 characters long and it's really secure, so that no one can access your LastPass and no one can hack it even if they want. So make it as much as strong as possible. So let me create mine. Okay, great. So okay, their advice is tell a story unique to you, like video my two woos off. So I think it's like for the better remembering of your password. So don't worry about it. You can tell a unique story like, I want to build my dream, or my dream project is this. You can write anything as your preference, as their advice. Write a unique story. So confirm the master password, you need to type the password again. In here you can write a reminder that can help you remember the master password. So you can write anything that's similar to the password itself. So I will not waste my time here. So sign up, it's free. Okay, our account is created. So they are redirecting me to the Chrome extension of theirs. The Chrome extension will help you to write the password directly using the LastPass account, or save the password directly without going to the LastPass software in the Chrome extension itself. So you can add it to Chrome if you want. So I think adding it to Chrome is really great. You can do it. So let me go to the LastPass again. Okay. Login. So it's a gentle reminder that you need to log in LastPass again and again, whether it's a Chrome extension or the software itself, because it's like it's for your own security. Okay, I have already logged in. In case you are not logged in, you can check it there. Yes, I am in. Open my vault or all items. I don't have anything here. So you can add anything right here. You can add passwords, you can add notes, you can add addresses, anything you want. Even you can add your payment cards or bank accounts that you want to keep safe and don't want to type it again and again on different websites, but just want to fill them out automatically by LastPass. And here's your security dashboard, the sharing center. You can share to your employees the passwords that you want to share. And emergency access, it's like you can say that people that you trust, and you can add them directly here. There's account settings, and you can edit something of your account right here, so you can do anything right here. I think that's pretty much great of my ending. So you can add password here, like I can add an item. Let's say I have an account on udemy.com. I'm in my account, so let me just copy it. My username in LastPass Vault, then username, is my password in the Udemy site, just this one. And let me add the URL here, name Udemy, and add the folder like courses or anything you want. And you can add note like it's an account for personal use, not a business account. Udemy for business, it's not that account, it's my personal account, so I can add the note. And you can go to the advanced setting like require master password pre-prompt, like if you want to give only those people access who has the master password, so you can just give them, or auto login. It's for if you go to the URL, you'll be already logged into the site. In that case, you don't need to give any master password access to anyone. And you can disable the autofill option. It will just, when you write here, it will be automatically filled if you give the access to autofill, but if you disable it, it don't show anything. So you can do this, disable autofill, but I think giving access to the autofill option is quite good, but if you want, you can just disable it. Let me save it. Okay, suppress. So you can just launch it here. Okay, here's the autofill option. Oh, great. So it's logged in right now. Okay, awesome. So if I want to add my address or some notes, like I want to add those notes only for myself, so I can do this. Like tomorrow I have a meeting that I don't want anyone else to see. I have a meeting at 10 p.m. and the link you can add it to. You can add anything, and you can add an attachment too. So you can add pretty much everything to here, and you can add the addresses of your customers or anyone's address you want, or yourself. I have discussed about those as well. So you can give access to your friends through here. Like if I give my account access, it will help you for one-to-one share. You can allow recipient, no, I don't want my recipient to view passwords, so I can just do it, share. Okay, I need the verification email. Okay, I'm just doing it manually on my mobile, right? My account is verified, so I'm just sharing it. Person that I have given the sharing ability, so they can see it here. So if anyone gives me access to anything, so I can see it here as well. So I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to share. I don't want to make this video long. If you have any question, you can write it down in the comment box, or send me a message in the Facebook page or in my Instagram. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.